Managing lower back pain with McKenzie Therapy. Hi, I am Josephine, a registered physiotherapist. If you have been struggling with lower back pain, you're not alone. Whether it's from sitting all day, an old injury, or poor posture, McKenzie Therapy is an effective way to relieve pain and restore movement. Let's dive in. McKenzie Therapy, also known as mechanical diagnosis and therapy, is a proven method for diagnosing and treating spinal pain and disc-related issues. It focuses on movement-based solutions to help you heal naturally. Common causes of lower back pain: poor posture and prolonged sitting, herniated disc, or bulging discs. Here's a simple McKenzie extension exercise you can try. Lie on your stomach with your hands near your shoulders. Push up gently, keeping your hips on the floor. Hold for a few seconds, then return. Repeat it for 8 to 10 times if comfortable. Don't let your low back pain control your life. McKenzie Therapy can help restore your movement and reduce discomfort. Book an appointment today and let's create a plan that works for you.